Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a rear roller axle on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. To move the refrigerator away from the wall, raise both front leveling legs. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread all of the screws to release the lower rear access panel. To replace the right roller axle, lift up the right side of the appliance and support it. Use a flathead screwdriver to help detach the retaining clip securing the roller axle. Pull out the old axle. Install the new roller axle by positioning the roller in the frame, then insert the axle to hold it in place. Snap on the retaining clip. Remove the support and lower the appliance. To replace the left side roller axle, first unthread the screws securing the condenser fan motor mounting bracket. Pull the bracket forward and tilt it to the left to remove. Next, unthread the screw securing the drain pan to the base. Unthread the screws to release the water inlet valve bracket from the frame. You can disconnect the inlet valve wire connector for better access. Depress the drain pan tabs to release the pan from the base. Lift and support the appliance. You can now replace the left side roller axle in the same manner as the right side axle. With the new roller axle installed, remove the support and lower the appliance. Snap the drain pan into place. Connect the water inlet valve wire connector, if applicable. Reposition the inlet valve bracket and secure it to the frame with the screws. Rethread the screw to secure the drain pan to the base. Reposition the condenser fan motor mounting bracket. Thread the screws. Reinstall the access panel. Push the refrigerator back against the wall and lower the front leveling legs. Plug the power cord back in and your refrigerator should be ready for use.